The 2022 Aviator and even its earlier iterations deliver class-competing performances despite having an average J.D. Power rating of 75 points in reliability and quality. Only 4 complaints have been made about the midsize SUV in the most recent model year. These are the same problems as the 2021 year model. However, given that the 2022 model is still a part of the second generation, it is crucial to consider all of the issues that have plagued the SUV on a regular basis since it was first introduced and recognize how they may affect the ownership experience. So, let's talk about the 2022 Aviator issues and reliability. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Rearview camera. The SUV's rearview camera is the subject of the most frequent Lincoln Aviator electric issues. While the majority of customers claim that the camera shows a blue image on the screen, some customers claim that the image flickers. Both times, the electric problem reduces the ability to see behind you, which raises the possibility of an accident. Lincoln has launched 2 recalls to address the issue, each of which involves a software update to fix the problem. Stalling of engine. In a singular instance, a purchaser of a 2022 Aviator SUV reported that the SUV lost power and displayed the message "Stop safely now." Although the problem is brand new, it isn't likely to happen again, and we think the company will be able to handle it effectively. Braking system. The Aviator SUV's braking system is the subject of yet another reported mechanical issue. Customers have reported that even when the brake pedal is depressed, the SUV does not respond to their braking inputs. A defective braking system can increase the chance of the vehicle rolling away, which can cause a crash, even though it typically occurs when the vehicle is in reverse. Shaky transmission. The transmission issues with the Lincoln Aviator are relatively uncommon, and they haven't been reported in all versions of the SUV. However, customers have noted unusual delays when changing gears and the vehicle shuddering when shifting into a higher gear in instances where they have happened. The issue has not yet been replicated in the 2022 Aviator, despite the fact that there is no known cause for it. Bright infotainment screen. The infotainment screen in the 2020 Aviator has reportedly been consistently bright, which affects the driver's visibility. The screen does not adjust to the environment, creating glares in the driver's field of vision. Problems with temperature display. Customers of the Lincoln Aviator have noted that the central screen cannot display the temperature and air conditioning settings as of the 2021 model year. Using Apple CarPlay or switching between screens are the 2 main times when this occurs. Although there isn't an official fix yet, the problem might be resolved with an infotainment system software update. Recalls. The Aviator has been called back 15 times for about 72 complaints. The 2022 Aviator is still in its second generation, so it is best to browse through all of the recalls of the SUV to make the best choice. The most recent recall began on February 16, 2022, and it is focused on the SUV's fuel system. You can see a list of all recalls on the screen. Should you buy? Yes, the Lincoln Aviator successfully combines a massive frame with an ergonomic layout, making it appear to be a user-friendly car. Despite receiving average reliability ratings, we still consider it to be dependable because it is a true family hauler. Particularly in the most recent model years, its problem list appears to be manageable, and it also manages to achieve impressive results in the safety tests. Therefore, an Aviator can be a great addition to your garage whether it is new or used and has plenty of value to offer.